Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a professional-grade skincare device designed to bring clinical results right into your bathroom. This is the PMD Personal Microderm Pro, an at-home microdermabrasion machine for the face and body. With a dual-speed function, exfoliating crystal discs, and a built-in vacuum suction system, it promises smoother texture, more even tone, and an overall fresher complexion. So let's get into how this device actually performs when it leaves the marketing copy and enters your real skincare routine. This handheld device uses the same aluminum oxide crystals found in professional treatments to exfoliate the top layer of dead skin, while the vacuum suction helps stimulate collagen production and cell turnover. The result? A brighter appearance over time and potential improvement in things like fine lines, acne scarring, and even mild hyperpigmentation. It includes a variety of discs with different intensities, making it versatile enough for both beginners and experienced users. And yes, it can be used on both the face and the body. Now let's talk about the actual experience of using it. The setup is fairly straightforward, and I appreciate that PMD includes a full starter kit with multiple discs, a power adapter, and clear instructions. The device fits nicely in the hand, and the dual speed setting allows you to adjust the intensity depending on your skin's sensitivity level or the area you're treating. I started with the white training disc to get a feel for the suction and glide technique. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step, especially if you're new to at-home dermabrasion. I tested it weekly over a month, focusing on areas with uneven texture and occasional breakouts, and noticed a subtle but definite improvement. My skin felt noticeably smoother by the second week. Foundation applied more evenly, and over time I saw fewer dry patches and a slightly more refined look in areas where I usually deal with congestion. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. The suction can feel intense on higher settings, and if you're not holding your skin taut, you might end up with temporary redness or even a little bruising. It also requires consistency and care. This isn't something you casually use between your serum and moisturizer. It demands prep, cleansed, dry skin, a light touch, and a solid aftercare routine. Hydration is non-negotiable afterward. That said, let's pause for a second. Is this review helping you so far? If it is, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other skincare lovers can find it too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews just like this one. Back to the PMD Microderm Pro. The texture of the device is sleek, with a lightweight plastic body that feels solid in the hand but not overly bulky. The discs are easy to switch out, and the build quality has held up well through several uses. I haven't noticed any decline in suction strength or disc performance. As far as value for money goes, this is definitely a higher investment compared to basic exfoliation tools or manual scrubs, but considering what you'd pay for professional microderm sessions, this device starts to make a lot more sense. Over time, it could save you hundreds, if not more, if you're someone who regularly seeks out clinical treatments. Compared to other at-home microdermabrasion tools like the Neutrogena microdermabrasion system or lower-cost knockoffs, PMD sets itself apart with customizable intensity levels, stronger suction, and professional-grade results. Many budget-friendly alternatives don't have enough power or break down quickly after a few uses. The brand also has a good reputation when it comes to customer support. While I didn't need to reach out personally, PMD has a responsive presence on social platforms and a helpful FAQ section on their site. Their community seems pretty active, which is reassuring when you're investing in a premium device. No major reformulations or hardware updates to report here. It's a consistent performer, and that's not a bad thing. Sometimes reliability is the real win. Now, if the $200 plus price tag gives you pause and you're just starting out with exfoliating tools, you might want to test something like the Trophy Skin Mini MD, or even stick with a gentle AHA/BHA serum until you're sure you need this level of exfoliation. But if texture, dullness, or acne scarring is a real concern, and you're willing to commit, this tool delivers clinical-grade results with the convenience of home use. To sum it up, the PMD Personal Microderm Pro offers effective exfoliation, customizable intensity, and visible improvement in skin texture and tone. It's not for everyone. You need patience, consistency, and a good understanding of your skin's tolerance. But for the right user, This is a powerful addition to any skincare routine. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase the PMD Personal Microderm Pro down in the description or comments. If you've already tried this device, drop your thoughts below. I'd love to know how it worked for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.